ELECTRO-TECH UG. Current technology. Future excellence.
You are welcome to ELECTRO-TECH UG, your hub for electrical and electronics repair, innovation, and sustainability. I'm Henry, and I'll be taking you through on how to repair your paper shredder and restore it back to normal. Before you start on any troubleshooting or repair, you have to make sure that all tools are ready. Then you have to be knowing the different components that you are going to handle. You can start from wherever you wish, but on my side I'll start with the sensors. We have a mechanical switch which is spring-loaded. We have the ultrasonic sensor for detecting whether the bin is full. So that's the sensor, that's the ultrasonic sensor that faces down the bin. Next is our infrared sensor that detects that you have inserted a paper to be shredded into the paper shredder. You can test this by trying to turn the shredder on and inserting a paper. If you hear a click sound for the relays, it means the sensor is transmitting the signals well. If they are not, then you have to remove and clean. After that, we are going to take a closer look on our circuit board, our PCB. So we have to see whether there are any burnt components. We have to check the control ICs, the relays, the power supply itself, the LED indicators for different statuses. You have to take a closer look at that. If there is nothing, then we go to our motor as well. This is a single phase motor, and most of the single phase motors are capacitor start based, so we have to check our soft starting circuit. If there is no damage, then we have to proceed to our cutting blades. These are interlocked, and you just have to make sure that there's no jammed paper. In case there is, you just have to remove it. Next, proceed to the gear system and check whether the teeth have worn out. This basically increases the torque by reducing the motor speed. Thank you for troubleshooting with me. You can comment down the different faults that you have found. Mine was basically the gear system. Reassemble everything back to normal. See you in the next one.